Hello friends, I am KR Kobarne from Gokhale Education Society HL High School going to post some videos of Maharashtra State Board English Medium 9th standard. Now we will start with the lesson number 6, that is classification of the plants. Students, we have learned that the living world is classified into two categories, that is animal and the plant cell. The basic difference between the animal cell and the plant cell is that the animal cell does not have the cell wall as the plant cell consists of. Plant cells mainly consist of cell wall and the vacuole, which is a storage of the waste material. It is having the chloroplast for performing the chlorophyll. That's why the plants look green in color in our surrounding. In our surrounding, we have saw the plants, but all the plants are not having all the parts. Some plants have some parts are missing, like the roots, branches, stem, fruit, flowers. Now we will see the classification of the plants on the basis of the flowers. It is divided into two categories. First one, non-flowering. Next one is flowering, means which consists of flowers which does not consist of flowers. Non-flowering plants, they bear the spores, from that the new plants is produced over there. In that also they have the stem, some of them they have roots, some they don't have the roots. Next one is the flowering. It is divided into two categories. One is gymnosperm, second one is the angiosperm. Gymnosperm is the seeds which is naked, which does not have the covering on it. They comes in gymnosperms. And the next one is the angiosperm. Angiosperm, it consists of the seeds but which is having a covering on it. And these are divided into again two categories. One is one seeded and the two seeded one. One seeded plants are called monocots and two seeded means which is divided into two parts, that seed. It is called as a dicots. Now we are going to learn about the subkingdom of Plantae, that is the cryptogams. Cryptogams means the plants which reproduces by the spores without the flowers or the seeds. In this we can say it is having a hidden reproduction. We will start with the first division, that is Thallophyta in cryptogram. Now in rainy season you will see the green water nearby in the ponds. From that pond, if you just bring that thread like green structure like this which is shown in the figure, just bring it and just put it in the petri dish. Wash it cleanly with the water and keep it under the microscope. You will see the thread like structures in a detailed way. Spread it under the microscope and observe it carefully under the microscope. Under the microscope, you will observe the structure like this it is. This is the Spirogyra. We call it as a algae. It is a green filamentous substance. It grows mostly in the fresh water. It consists of chlorophyll. Because of that, it makes its own food. It contains the spirally arranged thread-like chloroplast in its cell. In each chloroplast, there are number of rounded bodies surrounded by starch, and these rounded bodies are called as a pyrenoids. It consists of nucleus in the. This is ulva. It is also a type of algae which is having soft structure. Some algae found in fresh water, some in saline water. Here the next picture is of Chara. It is also a type of algae which is having a fiber like body. Now the next division is Bryophyta. Bryophyta, its main characteristics, they are amphibious because they grow on moist soil, but for the reproduction they require the water. The second characteristics is thalloid, that is they consist of green shoot, means that their stems are green in color. They reproduces by the spores and their body structure is flat and ribbon like structures. This is a picture of Funaria, which is having a capsules at the top and rhizoids at the bottom. This is a picture of Merchantania, which is also having the rhizoids at the bottom and the capsules at the top for production of the spores, and then they grow along. These are Anthoceras, which is also having a flat leaf-like structures which is attached to the surface, and they are also having a stem, green stem, and they consist of capsules which burst out when spores comes, and the new plants reproduce through the spores. Now in this video we have learned about the cryptogams, division 1 Thallophyta's characteristics, and division 2 Bryophyta. In the next video we are going to learn about the Pteridophyta and the phanerogams. Phanerogams, two divisions, division 1 Gymnosperm and Angiosperm, and the difference between monocot and dicot. Thanks for watching.